In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trace an image using Canva. This is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your graphic design projects, making them look professional and polished with minimal effort. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to make your designs truly stand out. First, open Canva and bring up the design you're working on. If you haven't uploaded the image you want to trace yet, go ahead and upload it. Once your image is added to your canvas, you'll want to click directly on it. This action will highlight the image, giving you a selection of options to modify it. Clicking on the image is your first step toward unlocking the editing features within Canva. With your image selected, you'll see a menu pop up. From there, look for the Edit button. Clicking Edit brings up various editing tools that Canva offers to enhance or alter your images. It's like opening a toolbox where you'll find different features that Canva provides to manipulate images according to your needs. Once you've accessed the edit options, look for the tool labeled Tracer. This tool is essential for creating outlines and adding an artistic flair to your images. The Tracer tool will allow Canva to outline your image automatically, making it ready for tracing. Simply click on it and Canva will work its magic. Now you'll see an option to trace image. By clicking on Trace Image, Canva will begin the process of outlining your picture. This can help in emphasizing certain areas of your image or in creating a distinct border that separates the subject from the background. It's a powerful feature that enhances the overall look. After tracing, it's time to adjust the tracing effect using the threshold slider. This is a very important step as it allows you to control the intensity of the trace effect on your image. Slide it back and forth to see how it affects the look of your outline. Adjust it until you find the perfect balance that complements your design objectives. Remember, a higher threshold might make the lines thicker while a lower one offers a more subtle outline. The final step involves clicking on Highlight in the editing options. This feature can bring attention to specific areas of your traced image or create an overlay effect that makes the image pop. Highlighting is especially useful for bringing contrast and adding depth to your design. And there you have it, a beautifully traced and highlighted image ready to enhance your project. By following these steps, you can easily elevate your design work in Canva, play around with these tools and develop a style that is uniquely yours. Thanks for watching and happy designing with Canva.